We don't wanna tell you how it's gotta be.
Never.
Gotta be. Living is the only way. I really wanna see.
Good life.
Got to see, you gotta live and learn. I wanna be the one. You gotta live and learn. Tell you how it's gotta be.
Before your bridge is burned.
It's the only
Get a yo.
Welcome back to another video again. Hey, we come down to one place named Peterborough. You know? So, that's some big stone, you know? It's a quarry, I pay a big stone in Quarry. So, it's like, I get a load now, you know? First time I want in Quarry still. Yeah, it's a pier stone here, so, you know what I mean? So, they want to load another one of us. Yeah. So we don't load now. You hear them dropping it. Then use all machine cut all stone. Eh. You see there? I take up and drop in my body. That's it. Yeah. Hey, brother. That's another load of man over here. He's going with stone to put in some place where I don't know, but well, I guess if I follow him, then I will know exactly where he's going to put it. You know. But this is in Peterborough. What exact place name again? What? Oh, I don't even know. I have to see sign somewhere and write it down on it. You know what I mean? Eh. Now stamp on one of that stone again. See stone how them big? They have precious stone in the brother. Where so they want to do some cutting or drilling, you know? Yeah man, get a better view here, so, don't you? Yeah. Yes, I. Different quarry. These are those big rock alone, you know? Yeah man, see what that doing over there, so now I have to take a peep. Yeah. I'm going to take a peep. Hello guys. Oh, I must have drill. See? Drill rock, you know. You bust them up. You take them out, I guess. You know, see it? Yeah man, so them are stone and them are take out of the place, you know. So it's a drill down in a stone. And then when they pop out now, them use equipment and take them out, you know. Yeah man, bobcat there. Pause it for a while and gone again. Yeah man, drill down in a stone, you know. You want to lift up it now. So far down. And what is this now? I'm going to shift it again. Different section I'm going to go to now. Cycle it down. You know? Yeah man, so this is the work when I go on with nice Quarry. Oh, drill again, see there? Drilling start, drill again, you see it? So when in drill that maybe they put dynamite down in the hole and still and, you know, blast it out. You know what I mean? And it's a rainy day still, you know? It's a rainy day. Yeah, over to the yard still, you know? You see a trailer just load up and a boat now. Put on a beam load already. So you have the trailer built up, you know? So sometimes I see them on the highway, I wonder where they come from. But I guess they have different quarry like this, you know? Well yeah, this take me like about an hour and a half to get here from Oshawa. From Pickering, it take about an hour and 45 minutes I guess. You know what I mean? But it's a cloudy day, rainy day. Yes guys. So back to me again. A load me, you know? So I guess when you done load up, you know, and me go up on the scale. Go scale out, you know? Still loading, you know? See all them stone. Everything in this yard is stone. Everything in this quarry. Stone. Ma fix it in there now, you know? Yeah man. Yeah guys, so the work's set in place, you know. All over you have different kind of work area, you know. Yeah man, so I'm fixing now. You know. So the exact loading that. I can still put more in it still too. I don't know what my fixer will fix it right now, you know. Everything have to secure and rule, no? Yeah man. Cool no papa? Yeah man. I'm finished load up now, you know? Yeah, so I'm going back to him was before. So I'm going to drive out now, you know. So I'm going to get into the truck. And this is what the inside of the truck look like. So I'm going to have my seat now. Yeah. Okay. Alright. And we go. It's raining, not that heavy as yet, but as I was telling you, over there they are doing the drilling. So I'm gonna follow this guy into the brown sheet now to go and scale out, because that's what he said I'm supposed to do. That's where I enter. This is where I enter from, you know. Oh my goodness, so my head feels up. This is the workers, they workers them big, yeah. show them park up, and this is guy now. He's tying down, getting himself ready. He's the one that was leaving out earlier. So he has to cast every one of them. You know? I see another one coming in. So I guess here is a busy quarry as well. You know? Yeah man, them carry stone from all over the place. From here to wherever. You know what I mean? And this is a freight liner. I think the one I'm past right now is a Kenner this. Super B trailer. Alright guys, so catch you at the scale. Alright, so alright, you can hear the engine brake. Coming down the hill to go to the main road. So what I do, I just allow the engine brake to take it down instead of me applying brake, you know. Yeah man. Use the engine brake to hold it back. So see the main road out there. You know. Going through the gate. Alright guys. The quarry named Buchan Quarry. See there, Buchan. My truck scaling already. On scaling. So go and weigh the truck to see how much weight I have up, you know. So this is actually different from where I was to get the load. Okay, giving me direction to swing around. Yes, I'm gonna go this way. All the way around. Over there. So now I'm going to enter onto the scale, which is right here. So I think I'm going to stop right here. Yeah, I guess so.
Morning.
Hi, morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Yeah. Alrighty. So now she's doing the paperwork.
Brian will bring your ticket out to you.
Oh yeah. So she done the paperwork. So now the boss gonna bring me the paperwork. And that's where the truck is coming in from, where I saw it earlier, out by the first scale. You know what I mean? So now that Brian taking me the ticket.
There you go.
Yeah.
Address is on there?
The address is on here.
Yeah. I'll show you. So, going to Toronto Region Conservation Authority, TRCA, at 1300 Lakeshore.
Lakeshore, right? Mm-hmm.
And when you get there, tell them you're going to the North Island.
Okay, okay. All right on. Okay,
All right.
thank you.
And you get one ticket to the security guard,
And I keep one.
and you keep one.
Awesome,
Thank you,
awesome.
Tony.
Yeah, great job.
And if we're here till 4 o'clock if you make it back for another load.
Okay, I will think about it, but yeah. Awesome,
Thank you.
yeah. So now that I get a ticket, I'm gonna fire back my engine. And get out of here. They open until 4. So if I can make it back before 4, you know what I mean? Yeah. That will be good. You know what I mean? So So my next thing, I will be stopping out, stop right here because yeah, it's gone down. Alright, next thing now is the tarpaulin now. I need to roll over the tarpaulin. I need to roll over the tarpaulin. So some of the truck them it go over easily, you know, and some it don't. So probably what I need to do is to push this thing. There it go, you see? Yeah, sometimes it work, another time it don't work. And now the tag axle is down, so all axles are down now. So I'm ready for the road now. See? So I'm leaving out from the scale. Back into the truck again. As you can see. Ow! One more time. In gear, button, and go. So each time that I'm going to make a deep turn, I have to like lift the tag axle, which is this button here. I have to press down. Alright, but when I'm going to drop the axle now, I have to pull it up. You know what I mean? And it is now 15 minutes to 10. Okay, and I have at least another 15 minutes to 10, another hour and a half, or 45 minutes or more to get to where I'm going. And this is also a part of the place, you know what I mean? And this is the other scale that I was telling you about. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm leaving out of the property to go onto the highway. And see the trailer here that I left over there. I think this look like a freight line of Peterborough. It's going to way out now too. So what I'm going to do is to lift my axle, which I did. Make the stop. Well, no stop sign. Come up to here, make a stop, yes, which you have to, right? And yeah, you continue your way. Actually, I just wait until these guys come. I'm gonna wait until these guys come when the road is well clear. On the opposite side, one car coming, two car coming. I guess after this one now, then I will just pause the video for a moment and catch you guys at the area that we're going to unload. Okay guys, I'm stopping for a coffee. So this is where we park up in the truck park, you know, if you go hold a coffee over there, so you know. So now we're going, you know, that coffee. Yeah, my lunch in my truck still, you know. But yes, I work with a coffee, you know what I mean? Alright, see another rig going around here. Okay guys, now I get my coffee, the Tim Horton coffee. So I get my Tim Horton coffee now and I'm going back to my truck. So hit the road west of 401 into Lake Shore. Right? So I will catch you guys there. Yes guys, so I finally reached where I'm going. So
I'm gonna call down to let them know that you're here.
yeah.
You're gonna go down across the first bridge.
So just keep going, right?
Yep. There are to be two bridges. Kind of follow it to the left. And when you see pylons, you're just gonna keep going left all the way down to the very end. And I'll call down and let them know that you're coming.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
All right.
Okay.
So now that she opened the gate and I'm going in now, so I'm going to follow her instruction and go. It take me a challenge to reach here, guy. I mean, my first time here. But the GPS, it didn't take me on the 401 west at all. It diverted me to Don Valley South, you know. But then, you know, I just kept following the GPS until eventually at one point I had was to stop and had lunch, right? I bring some lunch for myself, you know what I mean? So I had to stop and eat lunch because, I mean, the battery almost, well, actually dead because I didn't plug it in while using the GPS. Because the reason why, because at one point it was full. So I didn't need to use the charger, but then when I realized that I need to figure out back there just again, I saw where, oh, it just go blank. So at least I get time to, you know, to stop and eat my lunch, right? And do it all over again. And yeah, I eventually get to find where I'm going, you know. Yeah. So this is what they are going on with here, and that's a big crane doing work as well. You know? So she said if you just keep and keep going left, oh, there's one bridge right here, and just keep going left. Okay. So as I keep going left, as she said, so it seems like it's all the way down there, right? Okay guys, when I get there I'll just, well, I really don't know what's going on this side. If it's yeah, but as you can see guys, there are some building like factory or powerhouse or whatever it may be. But yeah, this is on the other side to where I'm going, you know. I don't know what if it's that sewage thing or whatever it may be, but it have some odor, some funny smell, you know. Yeah, so this is the other bridge that she said I'm supposed to turn on, right? This is the other bridge. Yeah. There are some chunks out here. But they are not all in what I am all in. I am all in rock. I don't know what they were, what they're taking with them to dump over here. But this is how it looks with like foggy. You know what I mean? But it's not actually fog. I guess it's it's the steam from the water. You know? What they are doing this side, but I actually don't know what it is about. Yeah. Oh yeah, so these guys park up there, actually dump what they dump already. And chilling out. I don't know what they're chilling out for, but yeah. Alright. Okay, so someone will come and greet me. Let me see where should I go. Let me pause. But you can't see me now because it's so foggy. So I have to wait until when he come to me. Right? You get instruction. Alright, so he said I should go and turn left. I'm turning left. As you see how the place is. They are doing something up here. But I can't recognize what it is because I can't see anything. You understand? I cannot see nothing. All I'm seeing is just fog. And this is the kind of fog that it is actually like what they are doing up this side. So I don't know what they're actually doing over here to have all this kind of fog. You know what I mean? It is not out where I was coming from, as you see earlier. But this is on the site, you know what I mean? And as you can see, some big rocks there already too, you know what I mean? So I don't know how much further I need to go, but I have to just keep idling the truck to wherever it take me to see exactly where they want me to dump this rock, you know what I mean? So all these are rock, bro. Yeah, and as you see again, look, that is the side of the bank. Those pretty flowers, eh? Nice blooming yellow flowers. Guys, somebody down there, so I called me across the other bridge, you know. So this is how I make my third bridge now. I come across since we come in. Alright? And so one rock chuck, yeah. So one excavator down there. So right now here, so look at me, I'm going to dump off now. Hey, alright. So I finally reach, you know, finally reach the rock chuck there. So I'm going to dump off of what is up. Right there, so I'm going to dump. Go and come here, so. Alright, so I'm going to turn around and come right when there. Yo, Virgin, me I tell you. Ow. Alright guys, as I said, I finally reached my destination. I'm watching Jim here. Alright. Holy moly. See what I mean? Finally come now. Finally done. Yeah man, so that's the rock chuck, you know. We then use and carry the thing there. So now that I'm dumping now, I go back out there now, you know. But I don't know what's going on with the rest of the stuff, but I pure water and rock. Nice place here. See there? The water that down there. And as you see, yeah, you can't see no cloud. Because everything you see is just fog. There are some birds sitting around here. Reason I don't know, but yeah, those are some black kind of bird I've first seen them kind of mixed with the duck, you know. And what in there? Oh yeah. So these are the ducks, you know. Yeah man, so zoom out the while. Now I'm zoom in the back now. You see the bird over there, so out in the water as well. Those are ducks swimming off. I guess every one of them can swim too hard. But it look a pure duck, you know. But you look black, me I say a different kind of bird, you know. You know? See why them just fly out in the water, you know, you see? Yo. see that? Yeah, bro. What is it they actually do over here?
Alright?
What is it they actually do over here?
We do?
No, what is it everyone do over here? Like all this water and birds and girls and gentlemen. What is it actually doing? What they actually do over here?
We're making habitat for
Ah.
birds and fish and
Oh yeah?
yeah.
Holy.
So one day you can come here and go for a walk.
Okay. All right. Oh, so actually they're making habitat, right? I just asked these young people, and they say they are making habitat for the birds, them, and you know all the other thing them for feed. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I just see the birds them are flying over there. You know. These are truck empty one going out and loaded one coming in with probably dirt. They didn't bring, they are not bringing what I take here. I guess they're bringing dirt, yeah, to dump up someplace. Yeah. Yeah, them are bringing dirt, you know. So a rock me bring come, and it take me like about 3 hours to reach that, sir. You know? Yeah man. Yeah man, this is what trucking life is about, you know what I mean? Yeah, like I was saying guy, it take me a while to figure out with the GPS. By the time it detoured me to Dan Valley South. But me have to just work with the GPS, just work with it until me figure out where it take me to. Anyway it take me to, I just hit me after work with, you know what I mean? One time me I said no man, me I give up here man, but me just stop and eat some lunch as me said from earlier. Then I see it and then go again. But yeah man, thanks guys, and I hope you understand me I try to say still, you know what I mean? Yeah man, and like, subscribe, comment and share. See it? Alright Papa. Alright family, love up, big up on yourself.